Charity, get the eggies. She's like, forget the eggs. Look at this basket. It's full of stuff. No, these eggies are Grandma's. Get the other eggies. Yeah, there's an eggie. Here, Grandma. Let's put yours.
Look, there's one of your eggies too. What? The light switch can only work? I'm seeing a bunch.
Charity, get the eggies. Look behind you, Chair.
Charity.
She's like, whoa, there's a lot of stuff out here.
I'm gonna get it for it. Charity, come look what I found. One of your little babies. Look, Charity.
Put them in your bucket, Sugar. Put them in your bucket. Good job. Uh-oh.
Charity.
Uh-oh. Just put it in your bucket. It's okay. Put it in your bucket. We'll eat them when we're done. Here's your bucket. Go get more eggies. Look over there. Look over there.
Ooh, my big ones. Here, Charity. Come get this big white one. And look. There's one right here. Have to come around. And look. Charity. Charity.
Serena, you've got 50 eggs, and there's 22 little ones for Charity.
I'm just ooh. Charity, look what I found.
Charity, yours are a lot harder at home, huh? I thought you'd get them. You're not really into it.
Ooh, ew.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not dirty. Mama cleaned it out. Oh, you found them. Oh, she found a hard one. Good job, Charity. You're getting the hang of it.
Charity, look.
She's got it.
Look, there's one under the hippo. Look under the hippo. No, that one's Sissy's.
The one under the hippo is yours too, but she saw that one. You get the one under the hippo.
Okay. Here. Can you reach through there? Here. Get it.
Now they're only in the living room and the kitchen. They're not anywhere else.
Ooh.
Good job, Charity.
Hey, Charity. In her high chair, are you serious?
Yeah, it's a new hiding spot. Otherwise, you would know all of them.
Charity, look. 2 of your eggies. There's one. Charity, look. Another one of yours. And look, Charity.
That's where she was going. She remembered. Oh, here's Rena's eggies. Let's look at them. Pretty Reen. Oh, one of their hats fell. That's okay. Go on.
Stay. Oh. Oh, no, you put it on too hard.
Well, a lot of them will be too high or too far, but when you find them, Mama or Grandma can hand them to you.
Ay.
You're too big. If I put them all on the floor, I think we'd be done in 3 minutes.
Can I crawl up on the couch?
Yes. You've never
And
worn
then
those
I'm
shoes.
going back in the kitchen for something. It's another egg. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. No, 5 eggs. Maybe 6.
Good job, Charity. Good job.
I can't reach under.
Okay.
Somebody help me. Got it. I just pulled the paper closer. I almost got it.
you saw that one?
Like I already saw it.
Can you get it off?
Right there getting them things. And I was like,
Can you get it off?
yes.
Pull on the purple thing, not on the edge. There you go. Good job.
Hey.
No, no, no. Don't get her looking at the basket, then she won't do eggs anymore. Oh, she's finding some of yours, Reen.
I don't care.
Yes, that's Rena's basket. No, not that, Eggie. She's throwing Eggie out of your basket. Look, Charity, over here. Over here.
That's yours. Hey, why are her glasses in my basket?
No, yours is a princess basket.
Oh, there's one. Glasses.
Charity.
Charity. Get it.
Okay, Rena, I still see 5 in here.
I already know which one that I can't read. Charity. Charity, I found one of yours.
Grandma.